hello. Okay, so let's hello. Okay, so let's download Docker in Linux. This is Ubuntu 22. So let's go to the official documentation of Docker. Okay, so here I need to download it for Linux. So let's go to here. This is the documentation and here is Ubuntu. Okay, so this is my architecture, obviously. Okay, I want to use this apt repository, so let's go to here. Okay, so let's try this one. Just copying it and let's paste. Okay, all done. Now let's install the latest one and just copy it and paste it. Okay, done. Now let's run sudo docker hello world. Okay, okay. So this is hello from Docker. This was unable to find this image, so that's why it is pulling from the library /hello world. Now let's run again. Now you can see here it is showing hello Docker. Now if you see Docker version, okay, so sorry, there is an error. It should be -- version. The option should be this one. Okay, now you can see here this is the Docker version. Oh, sorry. Now suppose I am so in the next video, in next couple of videos, I shall be containing different applications in this Docker. Thank you.